X and Y. You can take your own questions right after the class is over. How many right-angled triangles exist with hypotenuse as 82? X and Y are natural numbers. X and Y are natural numbers. So X square plus Y square is equivalent to 82 whole square. It is equivalent to 82 whole square. One way to find out it is 940/41 into 2, which is 1880/82. 1880/82. These perfectly clear. Suppose, for example, idea behind telling these logic is, suppose if it is for example, I'll give 75. If I give 75, one case it could be 345 into 15. Are you all with me? 45, 60, 75. Or it can also be 724, 25 into 3. We are getting multiple cases. There is a chance that you might miss out a case. Are you all with me? Here one case if you are getting, but there is a chance that you might get more cases. That is the reason this method is the right method. X square plus Y square equivalent to 82 whole square. So this will be X square plus Y square. It is 82 whole square. 82 whole square it is 324, 24, 82. We will write down the value also to cross check. 82 minus 16 is 60. 82 minus 18 is 64. 6724. We will write down the value. X square plus Y square equivalent to 6724. If you calculate it, you will get 6724. Listen carefully. Let us use this method one by one. If you practice it, you can solve it very fast. What is the right hand side unit digit? 4. What are the 4 cases? 0 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2. Are you all with me? 5 plus 9, 6 plus 8, 7 plus 7. 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3, 5 plus 9, 4, 6 plus 8, 4, 7 plus 7, 4. Enumerate all the possible cases. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. All these cases are out. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. That means first case, x can be 0, 0 or y can be 24. Y can be 24. What is the smallest number on square? It will end with 24. 28 square is 784. 22 square is 484. 18 square is 324. 18 square. So we discussed a concept. X square 50 minus x whole square. 50 plus x whole square. 32 square. No. X is 0. Y is 82. 100 minus 18. This case not possible. Listen carefully. These are little advanced level questions. X square plus y square equivalent to 6724. 6724. 0 plus 4 first case. 1 plus 3 second case. 2 plus 2 third case. 5 plus 9 fourth case. 6 plus 8 next case. 7 plus 7 14. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. These are not possible. These are not possible. These are not possible. These are not possible. So first case we got it as x value 0, y value 82. Y value 82. This case it is not possible. So it ends with 25. It ends with 25. So we will take the case x is 25. Y will be, it is an even number, 0, 9, 29, 49, 69 and 89. These are all the cases. Are you all with me? 0, 9, 29, 49, 69 and 89. Which case is giving you 24 at the end? This is giving you 34. This is giving you 54. This is giving you 74. This is giving you 69, 94. This is giving you 114, 114. I think now if you see here, none of the cases are possible. Why? Because any perfect square ending with 9, tens place, it is an even number. So if it is an even number, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1 carried, 2 plus even plus 1 odd, it is 24. That means this case, none of them it is possible. This case, none of them it is possible. Let us see any other cases. We took a case 0, 0. Next one, for example, 0, 0 and 24. 0, 0 and 24, it is 24. So 0, 0 plus 6724, 82 square. How 82 square we got? 18 square is 324. 50 plus 18 is 68 square, and 100 minus 18 is 82. This is one case. Next, any other cases are there? Any other cases are there? Let us see it. Let us see if any other cases are possible. Any other cases? 24 we have not taken. 18 square is 324, right? If it is 324, 24 last two digits is 0, 0. So this will become 64. Yes, this case is possible. That means x value 80 and y value, it is 18. 18, 80. 82. This is the only value that will be possible. See, if you observe carefully, when the side is an hypotenuse, it is becoming an enumerated case. You have to be very, very good in terms of writing all the possible unit digits and eliminating it. I hope the idea it is clear. Second time I am explaining. The right hand side unit digit it is 4. If the right hand side unit digit it is 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 9, 4. 6 plus 8, 4. 7 plus 7, 4. Second time I am explaining. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 are right. Second case out, third case out, fifth case, 6 are large. Only these two cases are left. Only these two cases are left. Any perfect square gives me even number of zeros. This is 0, 0. This has to be 24. What is the smallest square on last two digits will be 24. 18 square is 324. If it is 324, this will be 6400. 6400 is x square. X is 80, y is 18. 18, 82, 24. Next one, 18 square is 324. What is 50 minus 18? 32 square. 32 square is 1024. So the next will become 5700. 5700. X is 18. 18 square is 324. 50 minus 18, 50 plus 18. 50 minus 18 is 32. 32 square is 1024. 5700. Not possible. 50 plus 18, 68 square. 68 square is 68 is how much? 25 plus 18, 43. 4624. If it is 4624, the remaining x square value will be 2100. 2100 digital sum it is 3. Not possible. I hope the idea it is clear. First find out which number on square last two digits will be 24. Which number? 18 square is 324. 50 minus 18, 50 plus 18. 100 minus 18. So take the cases. So this case not possible. Here also, any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is 2. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place is even. 5 plus 9, 14, 4. 1 carried. Even plus 1. Even plus 1, it will be odd. Tens place it is even. So this case not possible.